All right, are you ready to see an extensive collection of pet portraits painted by nervous and scared first-time and beginner painters? In this video, I will share with you an excessive amount of successful and fun pet portraits completed by my students utilizing the Lovejoy method. Since I teach first-time and beginner painters, the comments I hear from everybody: I'm not creative, I can't paint, I can't even draw a stick figure, my elementary school teacher told me trees aren't purple, and I never picked up a brush after that. I have heard it all. So I have some great news for you. You don't have to worry about drawing a stick figure, and you are more creative and you can paint. By following the Lovejoy method, thousands of students have trusted the process and impressed themselves. They've painted a second and third pet, all while realizing the stress-relieving benefits of the painting process. If the student photos aren't inspiring enough, please check out the video testimonials.
Okay, so I took this class once before and I had so much fun that I got it as a gift for my twin sister for our birthday. And we came back and we did our dogs. I had a dog I did. This is my second dog. This is one of your dogs. This is my son. Yeah. This is my son. And it's just the best time. Yes, it's important to me that I captured him correctly, and Lovejoy really helped me the best. Capture him correctly. Such a good teacher, so much fun. The class is so enjoyable. Yeah, we had a really great time. Yes. Thank you for the gift. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, Lovejoy. Thank you, Lovejoy. So fun.
Hey everybody, I'm super excited because I just got my supplies today for my Paint Your Pet with Lovejoy class, and I am getting ready to paint my pet, and I got all my stuff, so looking forward to it. It took me like 5 minutes to find a pencil and 10 minutes to completely transfer the picture onto the canvas. Check this out. I put my little graphite pencil on the back and boom. I don't know if you can see this, but it's totally him, ready to paint, ready to go. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to tell you that I'm actually getting ready to start painting my pet right this very second. Here's my little studio update on my painting of my dog Thurman. I had so much fun yesterday. I went through about half of the lessons in Paint Your Pet with Lovejoy, and I have the beginning of a painting. I want to show it to you. So it looks like this right now. Hey everyone, well, I did it. I painted my pet, and here is my finished product of my painting of my dog Thurman. I'm really, really happy with it. Look at the eyes. I have to tell you, I'm not an artist at all. I'm a scientist, and this experience was very different for me. I didn't really know what to expect going into it, but it was really incredible. It was fun. There were parts of it that were just so great for my little scientist mind, and parts of it that were such a stretch, but you know what? I'm pretty proud of my little painting, and as Lovejoy says, I did in fact impress myself. I can't believe, it's not perfect, but I can't believe how good it does look. So if you're thinking about painting your pet, you should do it. I'm going to be painting again for sure. And thank you, Lovejoy. This was a great experience, and I really appreciate all the great teaching and the great experience. All right, bye everyone.
Wow, that was pretty inspiring, huh? I am so proud and so honored to be teaching my students and to be just seeing them transform with some really simple steps. I hope you've enjoyed all the smiles and the pet portraits painted using my simple method. And now I want you to remember the vision that I spoke about in video 1. Now that you know how the Lovejoy method has worked for so many, let's take a moment right now and envision yourself 30 days from now. So again, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine that you're relaxed, sitting at a table, your favorite music is in the background, your favorite beverage is in hand, and you've got the paintbrush in the other hand.
painting your third portrait, your third pet portrait, full of even more personality and more comfort than the first one. You're smiling at your canvas, and you still love leaving the room only to walk back and look at it from across the room and go, wow, that's awesome. Did I really paint that? And your friends are so impressed with your creative skills that a few of them have started painting with you, and many of them have asked you to paint a portrait of their pet. Again, how does that feel when you visualize that? You are capable of achieving that. Now, imagine how much time and money you will save compared taking my course compared to trying to figure out the painting on your own. The Paint Your Pet course, utilizing the Lovejoy method, is launching in a few days from now. Imagine basically looking over my shoulder as I show you how to mix paint, how to see the shadows and highlights in your pet's fur, and how to be kind to yourself as you learn the process of painting. All while being there for you at each step of the journey, helping you get the best results, helping you grow, and helping you relax with the process of painting. As much as I want to work with everybody, in order to give quality support, I do have to limit how many students I can work with at one time. This is a fabulous course, so please don't be surprised if it sells out quickly. Sign up to be on the early bird wait list, and as soon as you receive the email that registration is open and you get the early birds get access one day prior before it goes public, sign up and jump into the course. Now, in the next video, I'm going to give you some specific instructions on how you can secure your spot, and I will share more examples about why my Paint Your Pet course is the best course out there for first-time and beginner painters. Thanks again for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.